Now, none of this would have been possible without our strategic partners at the Caribbean Industrial Research Institute, fondly called CARIRI. They heard our dreams, and that dream they made reality. They persevered during uncertain times, and today we both have achieved. We both have much to celebrate. Representing the management of CARIRI, I invite their HR manager, Mrs. Denise Ferguson, to bring us greetings. Mrs. Ferguson?
Thank you, Alicia. Ms. Marie Hines, Deputy Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Planning and Development, Dr. Rahana Juman, Director, Institute of Marine Affairs, Dr. Darrell Banjo, Deputy Director, Research, Institute of Marine Affairs, members of the app development team at CARIRI, and the project team at the IMA, the management and the employees of CARIRI, the IMA, and the Ministry of Planning and Development, stakeholders in the environmental sector, members of the media, everyone joining us via various social media platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome. 2020 represents CARIRI's 50th anniversary. 50 years of quality service to Trinidad and Tobago and the wider Caribbean. During this time, we have service organizations of all sizes, from micro all the way to large, in various industries and sectors. Traditionally, the Institute focused on research, development, and testing in areas such as analytical chemistry, food technology, calibration, industrial material, and microbiology. However, in 2011, the Institute, realizing that the fourth industrial revolution is the future of all, started to develop the capacity in the field of ICT. Partnering with our Waitrose friends, we sent staff to places like South Africa to further understand and develop the models and application. In 2013, the Institute created an entrepreneurial and innovation department called the Center for Enterprise Development, or CED, located at Freeport. CED houses incubators that facilitates the creation and development of enterprises throughout the enterprise spectrum. In building ICT capacity at the CED, CARIRI partnered with Microsoft to form the Microsoft Innovation Center, which has allowed for the development of the nation's youth in the area of ICT through several initiatives. We partnered with the IDB and undertook a program to help SMEs become more efficient through the adoption of ICT interventions. We also partnered with the World Bank, where we fostered the advancement of the ecosystem for mobile apps throughout the Caribbean. At CARIRI, our ICT department is staffed by a vibrant software development team, offering custom software development, data analytics, mobile app development, software testing, website and e-commerce development, as well as technical training services. Over the past few years, our team has customized many solutions for industries across various sectors, focused on integrating emerging fourth industrial revolution technologies into the solutions we build. CARIRI has been actively involved in mobile application development and data analytics. Our work with clients is reported to have resulted in significant improvements in their operational efficiency. We are focused on empowering our clients to engage in evidence-based decisions derived from the powerful and integrated analytics dashboard solutions that we build. During the last quarter of 2019, CARIRI started a partnership with the IMA and began discussions to develop a solution to monitor marine environmental incidences, including the invasive lionfish species. In January 2020, work began on the development of an incident monitoring and reporting solution, now known as IMA seaiTT Report It. The seaiTT solution is a customized integrated software solution which features the following application parts: a mobile app and a web app to collect data from the public, an incident monitoring platform to manage the data collected, a data analytics platform, which features a powerful interactive real-time dashboard to report on the data collected. You will hear more about the app later in this program. We at CARIRI are indeed pleased to be part of this national initiative alongside the IMA to digitalize the reporting of marine critical environmental incidents by placing seaiTT mobile app into the hands of our citizens. Throughout our 50 years, CARIRI has always been an advocate of driving public awareness and education for environment other concerns. We are delighted that the IMA has included critical tidal and beach amenities information for our citizens who frequent our shores for both recreational purposes and economic activities. More so, we are excited to be engaged over the next year to support, improve, and promote the seaiTT initiative. We wish to acknowledge all the participants who worked alongside us to test the mobile app, and this includes the Fishery Division of the Ministry of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries, as well as the Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard. We congratulate the IMA for taking this bold and revolutionary step in citizen science and look forward to partnering in future collaborations with the IMA and other government bodies as we move towards the government's trajectory of national digital transformation of our nation. I thank you. Please enjoy the rest of the program.